This spring hair trend might be the easiest long hair trend you can jump on without even needing to visit the salon. As I was gathering data and references, this turned out to be one of the most popular red carpet styles that I saw for mid-length and long hair, and it is so simple. It has the relaxed kind of feminine elegance of the hair being swept away from the face, but combined with the softness of it being left down. Let me show you what it is. Simply side swept styles, so long hair over one shoulder, has been seen so often recently on red carpets, events, and celebrity. Now, this is easy for anyone to achieve at home, but if your hair is super soft or silky, or you're lacking the volume that these styles have, listen, I'm going to show you how to get it. The most important thing is using product that's going to take away some of the silkiness from your hair and bulk it out and make it easier for you to control it, so you can get that flipped over, swept over look more easily. There's a spectrum of products that you can use, starting at dry shampoo, which gives a little bit of grip but is quite light, right up to styling powders. I love the Evo Haze for that really strong lived-in result where you can really control the hair, but it still looks as though there's no product in it. In between, we have texturizing sprays. Orbe dry texturizing spray is amazing, and Sam McKnight do two different strengths that I really love. But what all of these products share is the ability to give that aerated, swept up control to the hair without it looking sticky or hairsprayed in place.